So I don't know if you can see on the camera. Got a bit of a mound there, right in here. Used to be a tree there. So now I get a fairy, what do they call them? Fairy rings, fairy circle of mushrooms every year. All summer long, really. Turned black, ugly. And it was kind of a mound right in the path to the door too. So I think I might dig that whole area out, try to level it out a bit. So immediately found the tree root, one of the tree roots. That's what was causing all the mushrooms. So I don't know, I'll probably take that as far as the sidewalk and see. You might be able to see this is where it was cut when the tree was removed, but they left some big honking roots in there to rot away and cause mushrooms for the next decade or two. So I'm going to try to do a proper job here and remove as much wood as I can. Here's a closer look. Quite a network of roots. This is going to be quite a project. I'm going to dig up this whole area here. Here we are a couple of days later. I've got the hole filled in with the old sod and compost from the county yard waste site. Hopefully by spring this area will have filled in nicely. So I've got two of these dug into the turf now below lawnmower level. Just 10 more to go.